Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated to my latest videos.
First of all, I'll just go back to Canva and I will just create a banner, and the size that you should use to create your banner is 2048 into 1152 pixels. If I just show you the guides, then you can see that your YouTube channel title or logo should come inside this area, otherwise it will not be visible on all devices. So just keep in mind that you have to leave about 2 inches at the top and 2 inches at the bottom, and then you will just work in the center of this whole space. Search for YouTube banners. So there are many designs related to YouTube banners, but type your channel's name. So I have written a tagline for my channel, that is, embark on a journey of endless stories. Copy that tagline and paste it here. So make sure to select a background that is more visible and prominent. So you can try multiple backgrounds that you like, but keep in mind that you must use your branding colors. So you must keep these color codes with you so that you can just use them wherever you want. If I use the purple one here, just copy the code and paste it here, right? And I will use the second color here. Okay, now I will just decrease the transparency here, decrease the size, centralize it, add your logos. So upload your logos here as well. Just click on this logo and decrease the size. You can change the colors as per your choice. All right, so now just decrease the transparency. So what about using more vibrant background? All right, so I really like these backgrounds with the vibrant colors here. You can change backgrounds as per your choice. Just make your title, your tagline and logo more visible. So I really like this background. Okay, so now our YouTube channel banner is ready. We can download this from here in the PNG format, and you can just upload it to your YouTube channel. Click on upload button and select your banner. Open it. As you can see, we have created the exact size for our YouTube banner. This area will be visible on all devices. The left and right boxes will be visible on desktop, and the top and bottom area will be visible on TV. So now click on done. We have successfully uploaded our YouTube banner now.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next video.